Boy, they came out of nowhere.
Welcome back for another video. How about this last week? But like it's been 3 weeks now. It's been 3 weeks since I had this in. So I'm about to review this hair. So first thing first on the hair. I had this hair in, I want to say 3 weeks ago. Go watch my recent video if you haven't of me installing this and making this U-part. Okay, you see, okay, now it's like easy to comb through, but not really, cause it like you gotta comb it. You gotta comb it at least like 4 to 5 times a day if you don't want it to nap up. Today I flat ironed it. In order for it to get like this shiny and straight, I will use, I'm gonna review this. Okay, this hair food for like I guess this is why it's so shiny. So in order for it to get shiny, I had to use all those products. Look at that shine, y'all. Cause like it was dry. It was starting to look dry. I don't like this synthetic tracks. But you gotta constantly keep combing it, and you gotta keep flat ironing it, oiling it up, or it's gonna get nappy. So that's one A minus thing. I probably give like this hair like a C minus. Like it's not terrible, but it is bad. Another thing is it sheds a lot. It's some hair right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but it shades, especially I think I had this in for like 3 days and it was shine horribly. I'm like, just put this in and shit like that. Then it stopped, and then about last week I was sitting in class and I was just combing my hair, and then like the hair just coming like, oh, I said, okay, this is coming out sooner than a month. It's only been like 3 weeks. I'm taking this out tomorrow. Take this out tomorrow when I get back. But this hair, it's okay. It's okay, but you just gotta keep it up. If you want that last, you gotta keep it up. These the products that I use like on the hair a lot of times. Especially this one is key. Wig leave-in, synthetic wig leave-in conditioner spray. Okay, it had a shampoo, but I didn't buy the shampoo with it. This was $8.99 at this beauty supply store that I went to one time. I had got these two together, but I don't really use this. I had this for like since last summer. You see, it's still out in here because I don't use it. So I was like, well, when it started to tingle, I'm like, maybe I could just use this for my hair, and it really works. Like for the whole day, my hair is combed like this instead of like getting nappy. Instead of getting nappy like every time I like trying to comb through. This makes it very shiny, and this is like a little heat protectant that I put on my leave out too. But of course I got 4C hair, so it's not really gonna shine. But it's shining. It ain't only go dry and brittle. When it comes to my leave out, I only flat iron my hair like once a week instead of like every day, because you know I'm scared of heat damage. This been key. I got this from Amazon. Luster's Nutrient Slick Stick. This holds my hair down. Well, first I like put it on my hair and then like flat iron it. See, y'all see it staying down. Like it's staying down. That's all I wanted to do, was to stay down and not look so bushy. Or like if my hair do bush up, I do just lick this down and brush it with a hard brush. That was very good. Only thing about this, it don't sleek my edges. This don't work on my edges. My edges will come right back up. It don't work on edges. It work on my hair, surprisingly. That's weird, but that's how it works. I finally got 24-hour edge control. It's extra mega hold, y'all. This smells good. It smells very nice. But I just got this. It was like $8 or something. $7, $8. This works on my edges, but like I say, see, it's still holding down I mean, it is the end of the day. Of course, I gotta use my got to be glue to set. Like, this will hold for like probably, it will hold longer than this. This don't last long. My friend told me to review on this. She wanted me to mention this. I think she has probably 2A, 3A hair. It works good for 3A hair, y'all. So, y'all should check this out. This ain't extra. It don't really work for 4C hair, but it do work for everything past that. But using this and this together is very good because it's already hosed, but this put like a little coating of that one in, make it extra hose. So yeah. It's just a review. Y'all see my deal, y'all. Y'all look better than look at the rest of these days, cause man, it's just real bushy. My ends are so bushy, y'all. Let me say about my ends. I trimmed them when I first got this and put this lipstick on it, y'all. I was amazed. I should have did like a first time thing with this lipstick, cause y'all should see my face. I was like, whole day. I'm gonna insert a video or something like the whole day my hair was down. I was like, really? Bro. Well, I already did all my reviews. Most of these products I already reviewed before, so ain't really much to say. But this do work on 4C edges. I'll probably come back soon because I am taking this out tomorrow. So I'll probably like a ponytail tutorial with this hair. I know it was like on the U part, but you still could take it off because, oh yeah, another thing that I used, I should have got the Gorilla one because I had because some of them started to loosen up, so I had to go back in with my needle and thread and like thread them back up. So next time, I'm not sure if I'm going to use my hot glue gun or just sew and make a wig. I'll probably just do just sew it so it could be more secure than just hot gluing it. I mean, hot glue it. Some parts are still like, still holding on. So I mean they not loose or nothing. Like, it's not gonna like come out. You gotta realize you pulling that shit, cause that's what happens. Excuse my language, but that's what happened. Like, I was combing my hair because I let my hair get so. I was like, man, I'm tired of keep combing it every day. I'm tired. That's when I started using my spray. I forgot I had it up in the window, so I'm like, oh, I forgot I even had this. Like, I had to get soon. I'm really like combing and just like, oh my gosh. But I won't buy this hair again. And if I do, it's gonna be like only be like for a ponytail or something, because it gets so tangled and it sheds so much. And this sunlight, I'm digging it. I'm glad it's a sunny day, because here, DC, it been bipolar. It's probably like that all around the world, but here it been very bipolar with the weather, so. But that's the end of the video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Yeah, I'm a threat, and I know